Hey people, so we are at this place called Seven Sisters, and this is some sticky rice, jasmine sticky rice. That's yeah, and probably yes, and this other thing, yes, and this is the Thai green curry, and this yes, on it. Thank you. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Okay, wow. Green curry always has a certain fragrance. It's very distinctive. And oh, but correct. Yes, I could. I want to.
Bubble tea?
Take a different flavor, na?
You want a different flavor or the same one?
Oh, same flavor.
One more strawberry.
Correct. Ayush, you take a bite of this and tell me how it tastes. That's Thai green curry.
Hot.
Oh, it's hot. वहाँ पे spoon है क्या?
Give a spoon.
Not a fan
Yeah.
of Thai green curry itself.
How?
But
Thai green curry is the
I've rated
nice
it a
ass.
5.
Yeah. Oh, is it? 5 is a good rating. Yeah, it's good. The one in Good Vibes was like heaven. So yeah, this is how it is. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.